How to create a group on Viber. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bring along your friends together in just a few taps on your screen. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, tap open your Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the Viber app, tap open to the chat with whom you want to create a group chat. Once you are inside the chat, you'll see a three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, a setting menu will pop up on your screen. There you'll see create a group chat with the person's name. Tap on it. Now you can select number of people to be added to the group chat. Once you have selected the number of people to be added in group, you have to click on this tick icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here you can name your group and hit on create group. Now you have created a group chat with your favorite people. You can text, call with your friends in just a few taps, and that's it. This is how you can create a group chat on Viber. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.